Hello people, this is Sakshi and welcome to my channel PNST. For those who are new here, I'm a first year BSc nursing student at GMC BHOPAL. In this video, we're going to be discussing about the most easiest and scoring chapter of the class 11th chemistry for acing your exam with the high marks. So let's get started. Starting with the class 11 chapter number 1, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. This chapter is quite easy and you have to do a little calculation in it too, which includes the mole concepts, what are the stoichiometric coefficients, the molecular masses of different elements, etc. Moving to the next easy chapter, which is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. This chapter is quite interesting and you will be introduced with the different terms like electron gain enthalpy, what is bond enthalpy, what are the electronegativity, the trends that most elements follow, how the trends of the different elements define their properties, etc. Moving to the next chapter, which is Unit 5, States of Matter. This chapter describes us about the factors governing states of matter, the real gases, what are the kinetic theories, the different properties and the different characters. Moving to the next chapter, which is Unit number 8, Redox reaction. This chapter will introduce you to the balancing equations, how to balance both the sides of an equation and doing the further calculation, what are the oxidation number of different elements and the applications. The next unit, which is chapter number 9, hydrogen. This chapter describes the general properties of hydrogen, how it is prepared and the different compounds of hydrogen like H2O2, its effect and the economic uses. The next chapters are S and P block. This chapter will introduce you to the properties, the different trends, what are the alkaline metals, what are the alkaline earth metal, boron family, etc. The next easy chapter is chapter number 14, which is environmental chemistry. This chapter will introduce you from the pollution, the waste management, the green chemistry and what are the measures that we can use in our daily life for the betterment of our environment. The next chapter is unit number 12, which is some basic concepts of organic chemistry. In this chapter, you will be introduced with the terms nomenclature, fundamental concepts, what is purification, what are the characterization and characteristic properties of organic compounds, etc. Then comes the unit number 13, which is hydrocarbons. This chapter describes you to the types of different hydrocarbons, what are saturated and unsaturated, what are aromatic hydrocarbons, etc. Then you can go for chapter number 2, which is structure of atom. This chapter will introduce you to the wave nature, what are the black body radiations, what is the Bohr's model, etc. Then you can go for 6th to 7th unit if you want, and these are the tougher units of this section, which is unit number 6, thermodynamics, which introduces you to the laws of thermodynamics, type of enthalpies, what are the entropies, spontaneity, Gibbs energy, etc. The next and the last chapter, which is chapter number 7, equilibrium. This chapter introduces you to the ionic equations and their ionizations, what is the hydrolysis, the buffer solution, the solubility and the products, etc. So here is what I got for you. These are the easy 7 to 8 chapters, so you can read them first and then you shall move further. So that's all for today. I will catch you in my next video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.